Hi, today we're going to teach you on how to delete Instagram account without your password. Before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's begin. Outside Instagram, the first thing that we're going to do is to open your browser. It can either be Google Chrome, Safari, or whatever browser you are currently using. And from there, we're going to simply type in instagram.com. And now we're going to hit the login button. And from there, you want to see if your password, whenever you press password, if the password or your account will be auto-filled in. Because sometimes whenever we use a device, there are instances that our account is safe with our password. Let's first think or use the measure of trying to find out if there is any account that your account might be filled on. If not, we're going to simply press forgot password, and then they will either email, text, or anything, because Instagram has their measures to get in touch with you. And from there, they will give you a link to recover the password and change it. And you need to change your password to something that you will remember, especially. And from there, we can go through, or you can go through the steps on how to delete that account even though that you didn't have the original password. I hope this video helped. Thank you for watching.